IPOB media head agitator arrested in Akwa Ibom during evangelism. Proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB has demanded immediate and unconditional release of its media head, Mazi Emmanuel Bassey Ekomiba in Akwa Ibom, and his colleague, Mazi Victor Sunday Okoro. The group said the duo was arrested in Akwa Ibom during the evangelism on September 30th, 2020. A statement by the Media and Publicity Secretary, Emma Powerful, IPOB said there was no justification for their arrest as they were not terrorists or committed any crime. The pro-Biafran group also demanded the unconditional release of all Biafran agitators picked by security agents during the recent sit-at-home order. The statement partly reads, "We want to put the world on notice of the abduction of Mazi Emmanuel Bassey Ekomiba, the media head of IPOB in Akwa Ibom, and his colleague Mazi Victor Sunday Okoro, who were abducted in Akwa Ibom during the evangelism on 30th of September 2020. We demand their immediate release because they are not terrorists, nor did they commit anything to warrant any arrest. We equally demand the unconditional release of all Biafran agitators picked up by security agents. We want the army that besieged the home of our leader at Isiama Afaraoku on October 1st to stop harassing residents of the area because they are not Boko people. Buratai should send his soldiers to Sambisa Forest, Baga in Borno State, and other northern communities taken over by terrorists. IPOB is a peaceful movement committed to the peace restoration of Biafra. Biafra is a divine project designed by the Most High God in heaven, and there is nothing anybody can do to change our resolve to actualize Biafran independence." Thank you for listening to this news. They don't just want IPOBs to just move around. So IPOBs are now in house arrest or what? Or IPOBs are now animals that should be in cage. Is that not? You see what the Nigerian government are doing. You see the injustice that the Nigerian government are doing. You see, this is what we are saying, that the Nigerian government are not being fair to the IPOBs. They are not being fair to the IPOBs. I thought all of these things has been resolved. I thought all of these things has been discussed. So why still harassing the IPOBs? So evangelism is now a protest. The one is evangelizing protest. The person or the people that they arrested, did they hear them evangelizing about Biafran? Did they hear about Biafran evangelism from them? You see what we are saying. Our Nigerian police, I'm telling you the truth, they are doing a lot of wrong things that the world will see and say that they don't know the law. Yes, you really need to see or hear what the what's it called, the international body or international observers have said about Biafra, about our Nigerian government to say. You need to hear, you need to listen, most especially our Nigerian police. You feel embarrassed, you feel disgraced that these same people are the people that are taken as your security guard. So you tell me, this thing we're talking about, how true it is. How true it is. So we really need to be careful. We really need to be watchful. In fact, we really need to be mindful, most especially those people that uh, those criminal Nigerians that like our Igbo leaders. I call them criminal Nigerians. They are Nigerians and they are criminals. They have been sold. They sold themselves to the Fulanis. They sold their birthright. They sold themselves completely to these people. So we must be careful from them. We must be watchful and don't allow them to take advantage of us. Because if we do allow them, I wonder what will happen at last. You understand, my viewers? So all these things are happening to Biafrans as a result of the hatred and the wickedness they have for the Biafrans, and also as a result of the fact that Biafrans are fighting for actualization. You understand? And that is the truth. So, my viewers, I tell you this that we have to be careful, completely careful. So, please, you do well to leave your own comments and your own idea below the comment box. Alright? But while doing that, try to be watch out. Try to be reasonable and don't conclude so fast. Don't conclude so fast. Reason with whatever you say. Reason with whatever you try to get yourself into. You understand? Because the IPOP that I know, even if I'm not a Biafran, are peaceful and harmless group. I still don't know why Nigerian till today still proscribe them as a terrorist group. That is to Nigerian, but to the international organization, Biafran is not that. And Biafran is already taken as a country. They function as a country. Alright? So my viewers, please, you do well to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.